Hi guys, how are you? This is my Opel Kadett van. Sorry, my ex-Opel Kadett van. I was restoring this van during a year, investment a lot of hours, a lot of money, installing very rare pieces, very difficult to find. Everything to get a very exclusive look, a race van. But 4 days after finishing the restoration, I was stuck in a traffic jam. A distracted driver crashed me from the rear, catapulting me into the car in front of. The result? The van was completely destroyed, and the chassis bent. Impossible to repair. And this is the life, but when a door closes, another opens. And this is my new project, Opel Astra F van. I found it on a marketplace. This model is the next generation of my ex-Kadett van. And you know what? I can use many pieces of the Kadett. The car is in a very good shape. One previous owner, low mileage, very good condition. The engine basically is the same of the Opel Kadett. It's a 1.7 diesel with natural aspiration, giving it 57 horsepower of fury, this time with catalytic converter. I'm happy with the purchase. We'll be able to continue my project. My plans: give it the same look as the Kadett by installing all its parts. My first impressions are that it's smoother to drive than the Kadett. And as is the tradition when I buy a new car, I start with the maintenance. The first, the oil change with the engine flash additive. This additive removes all internal dirt from the engine. I recommend it. While the oil is draining, we are going to change the great forgotten, the gearbox oil. The old Opels don't get a drain plug in the gearbox. You have to remove the differential cover. New original paper gasket and of course, new original Opel oil. I have never allowed the air filter get so dirty in my cars, with how cheap they are. The engine was very dirty, so I went to specialists to have my engine cleaned. What do you think? Orange indicators. Do you like? Me not. I found these clear indicators on the marketplace for just 10 bucks. I couldn't resist. Much better, no? Before lowering the height of the car, precautions must be taken to avoid damaging the tires. This sheet metal lip will wrap on the new wheels when we lower the height of the car, so get out. Less weight, more speed. A bit of paint to prevent the corrosion. This brake drums looks very nasty. Let's go to refresh it. A bit of cleaner before to paint, and then a bit of anti-heat paint. Much better, no? When driving, I noticed a noise and the car was quite unstable. Surprise! A broken sway bar link. I can't believe a quality brand like Opel would install nylon sway bar links. Well, I didn't find any metal spare, all made of nylon. My best friend the grinder always wanna help me on all my projects. It took me about a quarter of an hour to get the sway bar link out. Vaseline has many uses. One of them is to make the pieces go in smoother. Guys, do not be bad thugs. And finally, the most awaited change, the runnels of the Kadett. For those of you who haven't seen the Kadett videos, these are the 16-inch runnel aero of the Kadett. Good gears and white tire stickers. Sorry guys, but I hate the original steering wheels. The advantage of having the donor next to me is that I don't have to spend money on parts. I love how it looks, this Momo steering wheel. The original Opel gear knob was disgusting. It took me a while to get it out, but it was very satisfying to put the Momo of the Kadett. Much better, no? The passenger side mirror is missing the glass. The seller gave me the spare part, but surprise! It doesn't fit. It's from another model. What the hell? No problem, I have solution for everything. I bought a brand new complete mirror on a spare part shop for just 23 euros. Now I can drive safely. Once finished, it's time to go for a walk, but first we're going to the car wash. Sorry for the purist, but I don't like logos. We're going to cease of the fact the letters are wet to remove them. With this rubber accessory, we remove all the rest of glue. Let's see how the appearance of the Opel Astra van has changed. What a change! And this is only the beginning. Stay tuned as interesting news is coming. I hope you like this video. Be happy, guys!